What's up guys, Chris here, and on today's adventure, we're flying.
You told me to figure it out, but
This is the first person drone. It makes it look a lot more like you're actually flying in a plane. I need to wear this helmet to see the camera, which is cool, but also makes me sick. And I look really stupid with it on. So we're gonna test this out here on this property and see what kind of footage we can get. Let's go.
but it's okay. I think I'll be fine though. We can stay just friends for tonight. So walk away while I'm wishing that you were still mine.
If a tree falls in the woods and no one's there to hear it, it still falls.
Be honest with you, be honest with me, baby. I'll be honest with you, be honest with me, baby.
My hand is covered in sap.
Be honest with me, yeah. To be honest, I am haunted by you.
Now we're gonna take the photo. It's 4-bedroom, 5 full baths, over 3,000 square feet on 3.5 acres. High ceiling up there with these cool skylights. Got the stone fireplace. You got the beams that are exposed. You got the whole country log cabin lodge feel. Pretty big kitchen. You got a fire pit overlooking the hill, overlooking the woods. And the price is
Time
$1 million.
while you black out my heart.
Beam me up, Scotty.
Be honest with
I saw a shed over there in the distance,
you,
and it looks like there's an overgrown trail here.
baby. I'll be honest with you, be
Something definitely lives down there.
baby.
It looks like this creek is on the edge of the property as well, so I probably shouldn't have come down here in my shoes.
Honest, I am haunted by you.
All right, now how do I get back up?